Awesome job, everybody who was here. Appreciate everybody who was here on Saturday. Really great job. And of course, let's give it up for Grant Cardone.
Take a bow, take a bow, take a bow, take a bow. No stop, get it.
He kept going, and he kept going, and he kept going. It was almost 4 hours of content.
Like, get your game on. It's a new week, new month, new time, new moment, new people you're going to talk to this week. Everybody's new. Your cells are dying and rejuvenating. You're a new person this week. Let's go out this week and meet some new people and change some lives.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mike Bonnet needs to give a report from the golf course this weekend. Him and Corey sitting in the back over there with moppy faces. Come on up. Come on up. No, come up. We're good. Hey, look down. Hey, look down.
What happened, Mike?
It was a great match. It was a good match. It was a good match. Lesson learned: do not give your boss strokes. That's a lesson learned.
Yeah, and strokes you give them. Don't give strokes. Don't give strokes, and then chokes. When it mattered. When it mattered, bitches. Baby girls. Crybabies. They were crying the whole day. They're like,
Uh-oh.
Anytime.
I'm gonna meet with y'all.
Look at moppy face. Look how moppy they are. Make sure you get pictures of those. Crybaby whiners.
All right. Are you guys ready, or you got something else? Yeah, Joe.
Right now, we're actually doing a case study with Carport Central. We talked about them a couple weeks ago. So, since they've been on the program for about 9 months, their approach to the training has been a little bit different. Because right out the gate, they knew that I can't just watch videos and expect that I'll get better. So, from the beginning, they started their program with doing boot camp style meetings. Mandatory boot camp meetings every single day. Since being on the program, their average price per unit sold has jumped 33%. The revenue has jumped 226%. And because of all of that, they've started 7 other businesses related to their initial business that's not just selling the product, but also manufacturing it, distributing it, and also the financing as well. So they're absolutely killing it, and they're taking their business to a whole nother level, controlling their industry right now. Wow. That's what they're killing.
All right, you guys ready to help some more people today? Yeah. What day is it?
Tuesday. Yeah. Look, so this is the kind of thing you have to do every day. If you're going to get your people on the game, in the game, and performing at the highest levels, you need to do this every day. This is not about talking to your people, talking at your people. It's about working with your people and being the example. 9:06 every single day. We remind our people what we're doing it for, so they can go to work, not just for a paycheck, but to feel good about what they're doing, how they're giving back, and how they're contributing. Get your team all on board, and then keep working it out, man. You got to keep stirring the pot. You got to stir the pot to make that soup, that Creole, that special thing that you make needs attention, and people need the same thing.